Today we're going to bring LED lights for outdoor. They're very small and tiny if you guys can see them. We're going to measure them. So they're going to be about close to 3 inches, all right? From actually 3.5 if you see the plastic at all. But I'm going to talk a little bit more about the LED lights. If you guys can see them, they have the night mode, night to day mode, all right? So it's automatically, it functions it built in. Now, they're going to accumulate energy throughout the day, but just make sure they're in a place where it's going to collect a lot of sun, all right? So that's one problem. If you want them to last longer, they need to be in an area properly where the sun is going to actually shine. So I had these already for a couple days outdoors. It rained. It pretty much, it was hot and it was cold and it was windy, and they're still up and running. Now I'm going to show you a little bit things that you should know. So in order to take them apart, you have to actually twist them, all right? There is a button in here, and then there's a battery. If you can see the actual battery in here, the lithium battery in here. Now you have to turn them on prior to actually set them up, all right? And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demo to you guys, because it's going to turn on as soon as I put it to the floor. Now the lighting itself, it doesn't seem like it's super bright because I have my LED lights in here, but it actually lights up pretty good in the day and the night. And if you guys can see, I just pick it up from night to day. You know, it recognizes that there's daylight and then of course a night. There's only one mode, and it just continues to do like a rainbow mode on the RGB. So, but the LED light is really powerful little light, but it's going to actually illuminate more when you actually set up the whole setup in here. So what you do is you put it back, and you got to find the actual indentations, and they're all aligned up together. And once you do that, you just pretty much set them up. Now, if you guys can see it, I'm gonna put a little side view. You could even use this as a nightlight for your children. So it's another option you can do. You could multiple uses on it, but to light up a whole area, I don't recommend for lighting up area, but just to aesthetics and make your backyard a little bit pretty. So let's go and see how it looks outside. So let's go take a look. So here it is at night, completely dark, guys. If you guys can see it, pretty beautiful little lights there. Going to be changing colors constantly and keep it going. As you can see, the first one is red, blue, and green. And I'm stepping a little bit back so you guys can see how much it illuminates the actual backyard. It's completely dark back here. I'm just testing these out so you guys can see them. If it's something you want to set up throughout their house, you get a bunch of them, complete set of them. You can include throughout your backyard. They make your backyard look a lot beautiful, especially at night, especially like this kind of darkness that you have. You want to illuminate something or a path, this is a perfect item. So hope you guys like the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.